Hi, I'm Jason with Family Handyman, here to talk to you about roof stains. Roof stains usually come from algae and moss that grow in shaded and moist areas, but they can be cleaned up pretty easily, so let's get started. A couple of things before we start. You can also prevent algae from growing on your roof by trimming back the branches so that it's not shaded anymore. You could also go ahead and install a new roof with algae-resistant shingles. First step to clean algae from your roof is to use a 3-to-1 ratio of oxygen bleach and water, preferably in a garden sprayer. Start at the bottom and then work your way to the ridge. Be sure not to use chlorinated bleach because when you rinse off, it will kill the plants below. And then wait about 20 minutes before you rinse off with water. Be sure to use a garden hose, not a pressure washer. Otherwise, you could do damage to your shingles. Another way to clean your roof is to use a commercial cleaner. They work just as well as a homemade solution, but they're about $35 at home centers, so significantly more expensive. The nice thing about this though is that you can spray and walk away. A final way you can clean your roof is to apply a zinc strip. Just slide it underneath the capped shingles, and you can use nails or an adhesive glue to tack it down. The idea is that when the rainwater comes down, the zinc ions will kill the algae and moss, preventing you from having to clean your roof in the future. After you've cleaned your roof and installed the zinc strip, it's important to remember that it takes a few months for the cleaning solution and the zinc strip to work. The moss and the algae take a little while to clean off. For more tips and tricks, head to familyhandyman.com.